Do you need money right now? Like right this second? I'm gonna tell you how you can get $100, $200, or even $500 in minutes just using nothing but your smartphone. What's up, winners? My name is Naam. If you're new here, welcome. Here we talk all things personal finance and credit. Start out by subscribing so you don't miss out on any future videos. Let's just say that you blew a tire and you had your car towed. Rent is due and you don't get paid until next Friday. How are you gonna make up the difference? You could probably take out a payday loan, but payday loans have high interest rates and you can end up paying an arm and a leg. When you're already in a financial bind, the last things you want to take on is these added expenses. You could also overdraft from your bank account, but most banks they charge $35 for an overdraft. And there are limits on how much you can actually spend. And if your bank doesn't allow overdrafting, then this wouldn't even be an option. What I'm about to show you are 7 payday loan alternatives that can provide a lot better value. These services are low fees or no fees at all, and they are easy to use. So let's get into it. Empower will give you a cash advance up to $250 without an application or a credit check. They charge no late fees, and there's no interest on your loan. There's just a $3 fee when you transfer the money to your bank. And all you gotta do is install the app and sign up. But you don't even have to pay a measly $3 for that advance. You can sign up for the Empower card and you can have the advance sent to your card totally for free. Then you can withdraw your cash at any ATM. You may have to pay a fee there, but not if you use one of the 37,000 ATMs in the Empower network. The Empower card also gave you 10% cash back on a lot of everyday purchases. And you can choose your own reward category. Among other options, you can get cash back on things like groceries, gas, and restaurants. In addition to the advance and the card, Empower also offers online savings account with no overdraft fees and no account minimum. You can even use the app to set up automatic savings. With this option, Empower automatically transfers a certain amount from your regular checking account to your online savings account every time you get a paycheck. If you have an Empower card, you can also take advantage of early paycheck deposits. When you set up your direct deposit directly to the card, Empower gives you access to the money 2 days faster. This isn't the same as a regular loan though. You're just getting your own money just a little bit quicker. One thing that I do need to point out is that Empower does charge a monthly fee of $8. And if you want the cash advance, you need to sign up for the Empower card and enable direct deposits. Then again, the service is free for the first 14 days, so if you need a quick loan, you got nothing to lose. The second service on my list is Moneyline. Moneyline is similar to Empower in many ways. To get access to the loan, you need to set up an account and you need to set up direct deposit. Their main selling point is early access to your paycheck, which is a pretty common feature with these kinds of online accounts. And you can get the same interest-free, fee-free $250 cash advance. The only time that you will pay a fee is a small percentage for expedited transfer. As long as you can wait a day or two to get your cash, there's really no downside. Chime is the third service that I want to talk about. It's yet another online banking service that offers cash advances. It's almost a combination of Empower and Moneyline with an interesting mix of services. First off, you gotta sign up for a Chime account, just like the last two services. Once that's done, you can set up direct deposit and receive your paycheck 2 days in advance. However, the app itself is a little bit more robust. You can enable push notifications to alert you whenever there is a transaction. If you didn't approve that purchase, you can instantly disable your card from the app. Once you set up your account, you can take advantage of Chime's Spot Me service. This is a fee-free loan up to $100. The Spot Me feature does have a catch though. Once your paycheck comes in, your loan will automatically be deducted from the amount. So it's more like a fee-free overdraft than a traditional loan. That said, Chime's card is totally free to use. There's no monthly fees, transaction fees, or minimum balance requirements. My fourth payday loan alternative is Pay Active. Pay Active is unique because it's not something that anybody can sign up for. It's actually an employee benefit offered by many employers. So if your employer offers it, you can take advantage. If not, then you won't be able to use the service at all. The main feature of Pay Active is what they call Earned Wage Access, or EWA. EWA allows you to get access to wages that you've already earned, up to 50% or a maximum of $500. This money can be transferred directly to your checking account or to a prepaid card, or you can take a cash advance directly from Walmart Money Center. For example, let's just say you get paid $900 a week and your pay is bi-weekly. You've already worked 1 week since your last check, and you have an emergency expense. You could take a 50% advance on the week that you've already earned. Half of $900 is $450. Along with cash advances, PayActive also offers financial coaching, bill payments, Amazon payments, and even prescription drug discounts. The nice thing is that you only have to pay a fee if you use the service. Each loan will cost you $5, but other than that, there's no charge whatsoever. Up next is number 5, which is the Dave app. This is an online checking account with 0 minimum balance and 0 overdraft fees. In fact, with Dave, overdrafting is the name of the game. With an ordinary bank, when you make an overdraft, it just happens. There's no notification until you check your account balance and notice the overdraft fees. With Dave, things work a little bit different. When you try to make a transaction that will cause you to overdraft, it would automatically be declined. Then almost instantaneously, you get an alert on your phone offering you an advance up to $200. If you accept, you can insert your card again and the transaction will be approved. There's no interest, no credit check, and no extra fees. When you receive your next paycheck, they will automatically deduct that loan from your deposit. In addition to the app and advances, Dave offers a few extra features to keep you manage your finances. There's a built-in budgeting tool that automatically saves you for your monthly subscriptions. And if you make regular deposits of at least $200, you also get a free subscription to Level Credit, which is a service that reports your rent payments to the major credit bureaus. Basically, it is a way to build credit without using a credit card. Dave's fee is only $1 a month, which is pretty reasonable considering everything that you get. With that said, you'll be asked to leave a tip whenever you do take an advance. The tip can be any amount, or you can even opt out. But for every 1% of your loan that you leave as a tip, Dave will plant a tree and also make a donation to Feeding America. At number 6, we have Bridget. Bridget might just be the most flexible payday loan alternative on the market. The most striking feature of this app is that you don't even need to set up a new bank account. Instead, Bridget will work with a checking account that you already have. When you sign up, you'll be eligible for loans up to $250, provided that you already earned the money. Bridget will know this by monitoring your bank account, so it knows what you earn regularly. There's also no credit check and no servicing fee. Bridget will automatically withdraw the loan repayment directly from your account when your next direct deposit hits your bank account. Not only that, but you can use the app to delay your repayment date a single time. So if you can't afford to repay this pay period, you can have the payment taken out of the following check. The longer that you use Bridget, the more times that you're able to delay your payment. At the highest level, you can delay your payment up to 3 times. Bridget's basic service is free. However, they offer a Bridget Plus plan, which costs $10 per month. With the Plus plan, Bridget will constantly monitor your checking account. When your balance gets low, you will receive a notification so you can request an advance right away. You can also set up automated advances, which can be sent to your bank account whenever they are needed. With that said, Bridget is pickier than many other lenders. You need to meet the app's minimum income requirement, which isn't listed anywhere on the site. The only way that you know whether or not you qualify is to apply. You also need to earn all of that income from a steady job, so freelancers and gig workers will not qualify. In addition to that, you need to have a checking account with a positive balance that's at least 60 days old, and you need to receive direct deposits to that account. The last app on my list is Earning, which is the first payroll advance app in the world. Originally, it's known as Active Hours. Earning works a lot like Bridget in many ways. You sign up, they monitor your bank account, and you can take an advance on your money that you've already earned. With that said, the loan structure is a little bit different. The maximum loan amount is lower, at only $100 per loan. However, you can take up to $500 in loans in any single pay period, which is twice as much as you can borrow with Bridget. Earning also does not charge any fees, although they do provide an option to tip up to $14 per transaction. While these tips are voluntary, that's how Earning pays their bills. Besides paycheck advances, Earning also offers a handful of other services. They have a balance shield feature that tracks your bank account and alerts you when your balance gets below the level that you set. You can even set up to automatically send you a $100 cash advance whenever your balance drops. There's an optional cashback rewards program with up to 10% rewards on your purchases. You just gotta link your credit card to your account and you start earning free money. Finally, Earning has a savings account option called Tip Yourself. Every time that you make a deposit, your name is entered to a weekly cash prize drawing. That's an added incentive for you to save, which is great if you have trouble setting money aside. Now I talked about 7 of the best payday loan alternatives. Now it's your turn. Which app are you gonna sign up for? Is it gonna be Bridget or the Dave app or any others? Let me know in the comments. If you wanna know when you should pay your credit card bill to have the best effect on your credit, you should really check out this video over here. I'll see you over there.